How to turn off PS5 beep sound. So this is going to help you remove the annoying noise which comes on when you first turn on your PlayStation 5 console. So first of all, you're going to want to press up on the D-pad or up on the left stick to get to the top section of the PlayStation where you see games. Scroll along to the right until you can see settings, click X on that, then scroll down to system. Then you want to scroll down until you see beep and light. Then here you can see the volume. You're going to want it to be to low, but also you're going to want to make sure that this mute beep sound is turned on. That means the circle will be on the right hand side. So once you click on that, it will have muted the beep sound, and if it does come on for whatever reason, we want to keep it to low as well just in case. But as long as you have it off just by clicking it as so to have the circle on the right hand side, that means the mute will happen on the beep sound. You won't be able to hear it anymore. So that's how it's done. Please leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.